How to make your BeReal account public. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can make your BeReal account public, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to make your BeReal account public, then all you have to do is basically, first of all, go ahead and open up BeReal. Once you open the BeReal app, what you want to do is just tap the take your BeReal button that you see over here. So once you tap on it, it's just going to ask you to take your BeReal, so make sure to go ahead and take it right over here. Now once you take your BeReal, in order to make your BeReal public and your account public, you can see the option called my friends only. So you want to select this, and then you want to simply select the option called global. So this will automatically select your BeReal account to global, and then everybody will be able to view this BeReal, not only your friends but also all the people who are on BeReal will be able to view if they search for your profile. And you just want to tap the send button. This is it on how you can make your BeReal account public. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.